Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to convert the character into digit. See, first of all, so why we are converting the character into digit? See, the character is also a digit, but that will be in character format. Suppose this is what character, it's not digit. Now, I just want to convert into 5. So how can we convert means, first of all, we should understand, right, what are the ASCII values of digits in Java? What are the ASCII values? For example, if it is 0 character ASCII value, of course, the digit ASCII value is 48. Like that, one ASCII value is 49 and so on, right? How many digits? 0 to 9 digits are there. That ASCII values are up to 57. See, for example, without conversion, right? If you are trying to add the digits, what will happen? See, suppose character CH is equals to 5. And next that character CH is equal to, or for example, let me take X is equal to 1, Y equals to 2. Right? I'm trying to add both system.out.println X plus Y. So what will happen? That output will not be 3. That output will be one corresponding ASCII value is 49, is a 49, and two corresponding ASCII value is a 50. So that 49 plus 50, that output will be 99. This is the problem. So that we need to convert that characters into corresponding digits, not integers. It contains internally integers only. Those are the ASCII values. How can we means into digits means, for example, here it is. Look at this. This value is a 0. 0 corresponding ASCII value is a 48. Value is a 48. Right? One corresponding ASCII value is a 49. Now, this 48 I want to convert into 0. Simple. 48 minus 48 will give the value 0. 49 minus 48 will give the value is 1. And so on. 57 minus 48 will give the value is a 9. So remember, if you are converting any character to digit, simply you have to perform that minus 48 operation. Minus 48. So if I want to convert this into integer, int I is equals to suppose X, and next one int J equals to Y. Directly if you assign, of course, the ASCII values only will be assigned. The same values 49 plus 50. That value will get 99 only. So then what we have to do? This character is nothing but X minus 48 and then Y minus 48. If you do this, what will happen? X value is a 1. 1 means what? 49. 49 minus 48 will give the value 1 exactly. So now the output is a 1 plus 2. The value is 3. See, it will be very useful in processing that character arrays and strings concept in Java. Hope you understood. Please practice and check the output. Thank you.